Hello everyone, greetings from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our camper for perfume bottles. This one here is a desktop manual camping machine with several different size here. You can easily change the head in this way. So if you want to select the correct size for your bottle, you need to measure the size here, the bottle opening diameter. Like this one is 50 millimeters. So it's like this. You put it on and it's perfectly fit. Then you need to use the Allen key and adjust this in this way to make it fit like in this way. Okay, so like this, you put onto the bottle. Press it. Done. It's the same way and very easy to use. Like that. That's all. Thank you for watching.